Now there are a lot of chart patterns out there. So far, I have only talked about and recommended things I actually made money with or were helpful in the long run. But out of all of these patterns, I have only found 3 patterns that work the best. You have even seen 2 of them in one of the live trading videos on the Trading Rush channel. The first one is the bullish flag pattern, where the price makes a strong move in the upward direction, then gives a small pullback that looks like a flag you drew as a kid. Sure, the quality is a lot better, but when this kind of flag pattern is formed, the price has a higher probability of making a good move in the upward direction after the price breaks out of this flag. This kind of flag pattern can be easily found on the stock that opens with a gap. The other kind of pattern looks very similar, but this time the price doesn't make a new lower low. In other words, the price finds support at pretty much the same place, but the new swing high keeps forming at a lower point. When the price breaks above this pattern, it has a higher probability of making a move in the upward direction. The first and second patterns tell the same story. There was a strong buying pressure, but then there was a not so strong selling pressure indicated by the small and weak pullback. When the price gives a breakout, there is strong upward momentum to capitalize on. The third one is the head and shoulders pattern. This one is best understood by actually understanding how it is formed. Also, this pattern works best in a strong resistance area. When the price reaches a resistance area, selling pressure is increased as expected, but the selling pressure was not strong to take out all the buyers. When the buying pressure is increased, the price breaks the resistance, or in other words, the price gives a breakout. But then the buyers fail to make the price go higher. The selling pressure is increased and the price is back inside the resistance area, resulting in a false breakout. The price retests the resistance area again, and after all of this rejections and mess, when the price breaks below the support, or in other words, when the price breaks below the area where the buyers were stepping in, the buyers are taken out and a strong selling pressure can be seen most of the time. These 3 patterns, and especially the first 2, I have found to work the best after trading for thousands of hours with price action only.